Hi guys, Steph here. Now, maybe you can or you cannot see, I'm down in the cellar again. For you people that know, for you people that don't know, down here in the cellar I like to make things, I like to prattle about. I love just creating things and doing something with my hands. Now, some of you may have seen the last video I did for my grandson Mason. I did a Nerf gun, I resprayed it. If you've not seen it, go and have a look at that. Secondly, about Christmas time, my granddaughter Mia said to me, "Grandad, will you make me a memory box?" So yet again, who am I to refuse? She's my granddaughter. So I thought, yeah, you know, a couple of months ago I thought, yeah, let's make it and try and make it and get it finished for her birthday, which unfortunately I missed last week. But yeah, what I've actually done, I've made her a memory box, so I just thought I'd like to share it with you people, and let's see what you actually think about it. By the way, this is the box here, so I'll get out of the way and we'll have a little bit of a look at it. So this is the said memory box that we've made for our Mia, and as you can see, it's basically a box that I made. I've put certain things on it, I've painted it and given it numerous coats of lacquer. As you can see, it's got this lovely gloss shine to it. It's got a nice little key, and basically what happened is I started off making the box, and then as I went on I added things on. As I say, it's all lacquered, it's beautiful finish. You'll notice to the front I've actually put Mia, obviously for her name, and the way that actually started is I bought a knob for the box here and I asked for a brass washer which I couldn't find, so I thought, hey, let's make a brass washer. So what I did, I actually bought a 1mm sheet of brass and I actually cut out this little flower. Let's bring it a little bit closer. So I cut out this flower, I did some engraving on it for her as well, and I thought, right, while I'm at it, I also looked for an escutcheon which I couldn't find, so I cut out this lovely sort of heart pattern there, and at the same time what I did, I actually cut out her name Mia from this brass sheet as well. You can also see it's got these lovely sort of gold lines which basically go all around the box. We've put on these lovely brass handles as well. So all in all, a lovely box, I would have thought. I'm hoping she'll like it. What I've also done, I've added a little quote which I thought was very apt, and it says, "Take care of all your memories, for you cannot relive them," which I thought was a lovely quote. What I've also done, I've added a little lock for her, so there's the key to her heart. She can simply open it up like so, and there's the lid like so, little chain there holding it up. And if I actually open the inside for you as well, you can see I added this silver glitter inside. We've also got some little compartments which, if she takes that off there, she's got little compartments there to put little trinkets in. So let's pop that back in. To the bottom one there, a slightly larger compartment, and as you can see, hopefully it's got this lovely shining glitter which gives it that little added touch. Let's give you a couple of different angles and hopefully you can actually see it, how nice and shiny it is. So she can close the lid, she can lock the key, and the whole cabinet or the box is lockable. So I hope she's going to be happy with it. I'm actually quite impressed with it myself. It turned out, well, not as good as I wanted it to be, but it's as good as. So as I say, that's our Mia's memory box. I'm going over this afternoon to pick her up from school and Mason, so we'll give her the box and hope she's going to be happy, and who knows, she might even give us a couple of words as well. A couple of words of wisdom maybe. But I just thought I'd share it with you people, because I'm sure some of you people think, well, what else do you do, Steph, apart from pens? Well, I mess about, I twinkle, and I make things like, well, like memory boxes. Okay, so here we are. We're at Mia's house now, aren't we? Yeah? And Mia's got her new, what's it called?
Memory box.
A what?
A memory box.
It's Mia's new memory box. So, what do you like about your memory box, Mia?
I like the colour.
Yeah. And what about at the front, the Mia that I did for you?
I like that as well.
Right. And let me ask you something, because I've never had a memory box yet. Right.
Yeah.
What do you put inside a memory box? Can you tell us?
All your memories, so when you're older you can look back in it and see what you can remember in the past.
Oh, such as what? What sort of things do you put in it?
So if you put like a banner for your birthday, you can open it and you can remember your birthday in it.
And that's what goes inside.
Yeah.
Right. How about a nice photo of Grandad? Will that be going in the memory box?
Yes.
Okay, so you like your memory box then, and you're happy with it, and you need to now get your memories and put them inside, don't you?
Yes.
All right. Right, that'll do us then for now. So we'll see you all again. Say bye bye, Mia.
Bye.
See you all.